reviews.
It can pretty much slice through anything. So this is my favorite chef knife from Shun Cutlery, and they're a Japanese brand of chef knives, and this one is amazing. It's extremely sharp, so I have to be a little careful, but I use it for everything, for prep work, for mincing, for cutting proteins. The blade with the Shun Cutlery knives is really fine grain, so when you're cutting food, the food just releases really easily, and it stays sharp for so long. Like I've had this knife for almost a year, and I have barely had to sharpen it. I would recommend this to anyone that's looking to upgrade their knife set and get something that's a little more professional and easier to work with in the kitchen.